Hey, Aaron, I'm taking a movie. What do you think of that?
I like it very much.
What is it?
It's a horse house for us. We like it very much because we think it's fun and we like Santa Claus.
Is that who brought it to you?
Yeah.
How did he know that you wanted a horse house? Did you want a horse house?
Yes, because we're all three girls because he knew that me, Alvin, and Kate. Where's my
I'll help open it. You want me to help open it?
Kate, do you like that?
Kate, look at Mama.
Kate, look here.
Kate, say cheese for Mama.
Okay. Enjoy.
Kate, say cheese for
Kate's
Mama.
busy. What's in the box?
Horses.
Oh, more horses.
More horses?
Oh my gosh.
In a door.
And look, horse.
Well, are you girls letting Allison play too?
Allison, you want to play?
Here, let me help you get.
What do you have, Allison?
Let me help get them out. I'll fix it for you. Take these off.
Hey, Aaron, are you
Allison, what's in that box?
What's in the box?
What is Daddy opening?
Here. The dog needs those people.
Are they people? What do?
They ride on horses.
Oh, they ride on the horses.
Horse riding girls.
Horse riding girls.
Yeah, I want a girl.
You want a girl?
I need a girl. Is there a girl for me?
Well, there's two of them. But you know what? You already have a girl, don't you?
No.
You have a horse riding girl in your room somewhere, don't you?
Don't you? So, and you know what? These are for sharing for all the girls, so everybody gets to share lots and lots. Okay?
I got 3 horses. I got so much stuff in here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna like this. This is gonna
Wow.
be the best Christmas ever.
Very good, Aaron.
And right out of
And cut.